Hi, IP1. I hope you are doing great, you are staying safe, and you are staying home. Today, we have our final review of our lessons. This is lesson number 18, and this is our final class for this term. Okay, so let's have a quick review for this semester. What have you learned? What do you think you need more? And what do you feel like you need to review? So if any part you are unsure, you can go back to the lesson from before and rewatch and relearn. So without any further ado, let's start today's lesson. ICT. I stands for information, C stands for communication, and T stands for technologies. So you can see here all the three categories are separated, and you can see all the different objects or softwares or technologies. You can see them which goes into what category. For example, information, you can see DVD player, television, internet. Communication, you can see email, mobile phone. Technologies, you can see games, console, laptop, and etc. Hardware. Now, what is hardware? Do you remember what hardware is? Hardware is anything that you can see and touch. And I mean, it belongs to the computer, obviously, but it's the part of the computer that you can touch and you can see. So, for example, the speaker is there to connect to the computer and to hear the sound or music from the computer. The keyboard, you can type, write, and make changes on the screen. It has many buttons. Each button has a number or alphabet that you can use for writing. The mouse, to point and click. 2 buttons and a small scroller in the middle. Printer, it prints from the computer screen on a paper. A monitor, you can see on it. A CPU is the most important part that helps to remember things. A scanner is what we can scan, is when we can scan a picture on a paper and change it to be an image in the computer. So from a paper, we can change it to be on the computer, a digital file. Pen drive, to store information, and when you need it, connect to the computer. Wires and circuits help people to help computers to work better. Microphone is there to help to put your sound or voice into the computer or to speak with someone so they can hear you. Headset helps you to hear and speak. Headphones or headset helps you to hear and speak in private. Webcam helps you to take videos or photos of yourself and save it on the computer or have a video call with your teachers or your friends. The desktop. Your desktop is the page that you can see after the computer is fully turned on. It shows all the icons, just like this on the picture on the right. You can see all the icons. Many icons and applications are on the desktop. It shows different programs, as you can see here. So all these are called icons. Picture displayed on a computer screen to help you navigate. This is the explanation of icons. To help you find the program that you are looking for. An electronic copy of some type of data, such as a file viewed on a computer's display, digital file on computer, cannot touch. Hard copy is printed books and newspaper. It is on paper, you can touch it, it's already printed, you can hold it. The keyboard. This is the escape button, which helps you to exit, interrupt, or cancel the current process. This is the main typing area, which your fingers should be positioned at. So all your fingers, all 4 fingers should be there. Number pad. Number pad, if you use the numbers on the pad, you can type your numbers faster. So number pad is usually on the right of your keyboard. Some keyboards may not have this. Backspace just helps you to delete your typing. Using the keyboard helps you to save time, so try to keep your hands mostly on the keyboard. Control key. Control key is one of the most important keys on your keyboard. If you are using iOS or Apple products, it would be the command key. But if you're using a Windows computer, a normal computer, it would be control. Is the main shortcut key to use with other keys. So we have 2 control keys on your keyboard. Control E is to center the text to be in the middle. Control R is to move the text to the right. Control L is to move it to the left. Control U is to underline. Control I is to make it italic. Control P is to print. Control A is to select all the written text. You can use it to select everything in the program. Control S is to save your file. Control F is to find some text in your writing, a word or some text. Control Z is to undo, which is very helpful sometimes. You can use this to go back or undo your action. Control X is to cut, which it can delete and copy what you have deleted and copy what you have deleted, and you can paste it in another area. Control C is to copy. and you can paste it using Control V. You can paste it somewhere else. Control B is to bold your text. Control N is to create a new file. Next, we have MS Paint. So this tool, so the text tool is used to add text inside an image and to insert into the picture if you need to. So it's very easy. You just go to the text tool here, if you remember. And then you can click inside your screen and just edit your text and just type in what you need to write. What is a booklet now? A booklet is a very thin book with a small number of pages and paper cover, giving information about something. Now, Microsoft Office. What was Microsoft Office? Do you remember? It was quite recent that we learned about this. So, applications designed to help with productivity and completing common tasks on a computer. You can create and edit documents containing text and images, work with data in spreadsheets and database, and create presentations and posters. These are the programs in Microsoft Office. So in Microsoft Office, what programs do we have? We have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, Access, Publisher, and SharePoint. So there is no homework for this week. And since this is your last week, hopefully see you guys in the next term. And I wish you guys to stay safe. And I hope you have finalized everything. And I hope you have learned everything, or at least most of the things we have talked about. Especially paint, we practice a lot. I think I'm quite happy with most of you. You have completed most of the homework and you have mostly done the needed homework, the MS Paint drawings. Most of you have completed it, so good job. You can applaud yourself. And so I hope this review was helpful for you. If you do have any question for any part, all you need to do is go to the e-learning system and find the part you do not understand and just watch it again or try to look at the PowerPoint again. This review was very summarized. It was from the start of the semester till the end. So maybe I skip some or I make it more simple. So if you still have any questions, please do not hesitate to go back to the lesson and watch it again. And other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe and stay home, and hopefully all things will go back to normal very soon, and we will see what's gonna happen next. Okay, all right, so that's all for today. Hopefully this review was helpful for you guys, and see you soon. All right, thank you guys, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.